In Vienna, 1847, doctors were killing patients without realizing it. Until one man arrived with irrefutable numbers. Why did 18% of mothers die under doctors, while midwives saved nearly all? The answer shocked the world. Doctors scoffed at the idea that their dirty hands were to blame. But after hand washing was enforced, deaths in the doctor's ward dropped from 18% to just over 1%. Doctors were delivering death with their hands. And the data did not lie. Today, hand washing saves millions. But the cost was a doctor institutionalized for daring to speak the truth. Would you have believed this data as a doctor in 1847? Comment below. Is your industry ignoring obvious truths today, just like they ignored hand washing? Credits. Data sources include The Ghost Map by Stephen Johnson and Vienna General Hospital Archives.